Hi, Jake. Do you enjoy watching sports?
Hey, Emma. Absolutely. I'm a big sports fan. How about you?
Me too. I especially love basketball and baseball. Do you have a favorite sport?
I'm really into basketball. The NBA is so exciting these days. Do you follow it?
Yes, I do. The talent in the league right now is incredible. Who's your favorite player?
I'd have to say Nikola Jokic from the Denver Nuggets. His versatility and vision on the court are amazing. Did you know he's averaging a career high this season?
Yes, I read that he's averaging 30 points, 10.2 assists, and 13.1 rebounds per game. That's impressive.
Absolutely. What about you? Who's your favorite player?
I'm a big fan of Giannis Antetokounmpo from the Milwaukee Bucks. His athleticism and drive are inspiring.
Giannis is incredible. He's been a dominant force in the league. Do you have a favorite team?
I've always supported the New York Knicks. With Karl Anthony Towns joining them, they've been exciting to watch.
Definitely. Switching to baseball, do you have a favorite team or player?
Yes, I'm a huge fan of Shohei Ohtani. His ability to excel as both a pitcher and hitter is unprecedented.
Ohtani is a once-in-a-generation talent. After his historic 50-50 season in 2024, he's projected to hit 43 home runs and steal 34 bases in 2025.
That's remarkable. I also admire Juan Soto. His plate discipline and power make him one of the best hitters in the game.
Agreed. Soto is projected to lead the National League in OPS and lead the majors in walks and on-base percentage this season.
It's such an exciting time for baseball, with so many young stars making an impact.
Absolutely. The future of both basketball and baseball looks bright with all this talent.
I couldn't agree more. It's great to share this enthusiasm with a fellow sports fan.
Likewise, Emma, maybe we can catch a game together sometime.
I'd love that, Jake. Let's make it happen.